Hi everyone, my name is William. I represent the commercial renovation trade in my chapter Elite. Alright, I've been a member for more than 6 years, I think approaching 7 years this year for 2021. My trade encompasses the commercial renovation. So in short, I renovate all commercial spaces including offices, industrial properties, showrooms, retail, many more. I would say the first person who referred me, who brought me into the chapter, first is Darren Quek, which is currently our chapter's F&B consultant. Next, obviously, I would like to thank is the person who gave me the most referral, which is Alex Young, who is actually a collaborator of mine because he's actually the residential renovator in my chapter. So we have a very strong power team in our chapter, and to date, as of last year, we clocked more than 3 million of done deal just from BNI itself. So yeah, just very thankful for BNI and the BNI family.